If you're looking to save money on dog food, there are several strategies you can employ. First, consider buying in bulk. Many pet stores offer discounts for purchasing larger quantities, which can lower the cost per pound of food. Additionally, look for generic or store-brand options, which are often more affordable than name brands, but still meet the nutritional needs of your pup. Another tip is to sign up for loyalty programs or subscribe and save options offered by online retailers. These programs can provide discounts or coupons on future purchases. Additionally, keep an eye out for sales and promotions, especially during holidays or special events. Lastly, consider making homemade dog food using affordable, nutritious ingredients like rice, vegetables, and lean proteins. Just be sure to consult with your veterinarian to ensure your homemade meals are balanced and meet your dog's dietary needs. By implementing these tips and utilizing websites like Chewy.com and Amazon for discounts, you can save money on dog food without sacrificing quality or nutrition for your furry friend.